Good morning, class. A warm welcome to you all in my class. I'm Ashish Ojha, your maths teacher, and today we will discuss about a new interesting topic which is very helpful in your life, daily life, business, and in every sector. Mr. Rahul, which is my friend, meet me and he gave a situation that mean a problem that he wants to make a tent which is in the shape of cylinder and cone, which is combination of like this. The cone is mounted on the cylinder, so the dimensions are 7 meter of both cone and cylinder, and height of cylinder is 15 meter, and another, the cone height of cone is 24 meter. He wants to make a tent using canvas like this structure, and problem is this, that how meter squares of cone required. Okay, so can you tell me how to find out the canvas required in this tent? Anyone? Okay, I'll tell you. For this purpose we have to study about surface areas and volume chapter. The importance of this chapter is very vital impact in your life, like in your measurement, in your machinery business, in your scientific work, manufacturing business, and so on. So this chapter is very helpful to us to study. So firstly, we have to discuss about the formula used in this problem, like the surface area, and before that we have to discuss about some basic topics like surface, 2D shape, 3D shape, and so on. So firstly we will start 3D shape, that means object which can be represented as length, breadth, and height basically, and in other words we can represent it as in x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. That means any object that is occupies space, that means this, so you can use that object as a 3D object. And another topic is 2D shape, that means any object, any shape that is flat, that is represented as a flat surface, and like a triangle and quadrilateral and so on, these shapes are represented as in flat surface. So these are the 2D shapes. Okay, and after that the next topic is surface. Firstly, surface is the part of any object which is in the contact of environment, contact of air. That means we can say the outer layer of any object which is in the contact of air is called surface. For example, if we can say that this notebook is here, so the surface of this is top surface, bottom surface, and other surfaces are like this. These are the outer layers, outer parts of this notebook which is in the contact of air, that means environment. So this is surface. This surface also, this also surface, this also this, and bottom also surface. So in this firstly we have to find out the surface area, and here before starting surface area we have to know about lateral surface area, curved surface area, and total surface area. That means LSA, CSA, and TSA. Okay, so LSA, that means lateral surface area, and CSA, that means curved surface area. TSA means total surface area. So in lateral surface area like cube and cuboid, if the sum of all the four walls of cube and cuboid surface area, that means the sum of surface areas of four walls and cube or cuboid, that is referred as lateral surface area. And CSA, that means any shape which is curved in shape like cylinder, cone, the curved portions area is known as curved surface area. And total surface area, that means any object in which all the area of all surfaces are added, this is known as total surface area. Okay, so this is the basics of the surface area and volumes. Okay, so firstly we have to imagine that canvas used in which part of the shape. So imagine this like this notebook. If this notebook is rounded like as, So this forms a cylinder, and the tent of this is like this. So the canvas used in this shape is in curved surface, so we have to find out the curved surface area. Okay. Similarly, in cone that is mounted on the top of the cylinder, which is also a curved surface area. So for using CSA of both cylinder and cone, we can find out the total surface area. In this way, you can find out the canvas used in this tent. Okay. So dimensions are given like this. So firstly, we have to find out the slant height. That means slant height of cone. That is, this height is known as slant height of cone, which is represented at L, and the formula is root h square plus r square. Here h is equal to 24 square plus r is 7 square, and your answer is 25 meter. Okay. And after that, we have to find out the canvas used in tent equal to CSA of cylinder and CSA of cone. After that, use formula CSA of cylinder, that means 2 pi RH plus pi RL. Here pi r is common, so you have to take common pi r, and your remaining part 2h plus L. So put the values 22 upon 7 into 7 into 2h, that means 2 into 15 plus L is 25, and 7 cancel out, here 22, and here 30 plus 25, your answer 22 into 55, and you can multiply 22 into 55, and 55 into 22 is, so your answer is 1210 meter square. That means like this process you can find out the canvas used in this tent. Okay. I hope all the topics are very clear. If you have any doubt, so you can ask questions related to. Firstly, you have to do the learning process of formula. Okay. And then you have to understand the situation of question problem. Okay. And after that, imagine which formula is used in this question. Like here, uh, conical uh, shape is mounted on the cylindrical shape. So the canvas used in curved surface of this cylinder and cone. So here only canvas is used in curved surface of cone and cylinder. So here we have to use the CSA of cylinder and cone. Okay. Here this surface is not used for canvas using, and this surface is also not used. So you have not to use the TSA of cylinder and cone. Okay. So you have any doubt? Okay, no. Thank you.